you experience the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez, kasi napalitan na siya, why do the congressmen, they support him?
Kung ano man yung requests nila,
Binibigay.
Or he will grant them, or he will do something para mapakinggan at mag-grant sila. No, I guess that went how it was nung 19th Congress. That's why they had his support. On our part, syempre, we haven't made any such requests. And we've done the work, which is yung attend budget hearings, attend committee hearings.
Parang watchdog kayo sa Kongreso, tagabantay.
Yes. Opo.
Oo. May budget ba kayo for your advocacies? Binibigyan ba kayo sa Kongreso?
Crowdsource from its allies.
So wala kayong budget from Congress?
Opo, wala. We have, of course, yung salary na nakukuha ko. But again, ang perspective ko, I am a full-time activist. And I am just, my assignment is just being a congresswoman, being a legislator.
There are party list groups na pinasukan ng 2 bilyong piso.
It's even worse, actually, dahil may mga gawain ngayon that yung previously na nangyayari party lists, sectors yung andyan eh. And then pinasukan na ng political dynasties. Ngayon, pinapasukan na ng contractors. No, bakit? For example, siwalat nga to sa privilege speech ni Senator Ping Lacson, di ba? When may infrastructure project, may hatian yan. Bale, maybe it costs this much, and they will double or triple it. And then yung extra ay paghati-hatian ng mga nag-advocate for a project, no? So, it includes mga lawmakers, DPWH officials, COA got into the mix nga eh, LGU, district engineer. So, para hindi na nila kailangang mag-kickback for politicians, yung mismong contractor na yung tatakbo sa Kongreso. No? So, that way, they have a bigger cut, a bigger piece of the pie.